Welcome! In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to unmute notifications from people who have a default profile photo on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've noticed that you've been missing notifications from new accounts or users without custom profile pictures, this update has slightly changed where the settings are located. Don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. There you'll see several options like Home, Explore, Messages, and more. Click on Notifications. Now, inside your Notifications section, look for the small Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon near the top of the page. Click on it. This will open a panel that lets you control different aspects of how you receive alerts, updates, and interactions. Next, select Filters from the Settings menu under Filters. You'll find the option labeled Muted Notifications. This page shows you what types of accounts or notifications are currently being filtered out automatically. Here comes the key part. You'll see several checkboxes that allow you to mute certain users, such as those who haven't confirmed their email or who have a default profile photo. Find the one that says, "Who have a default profile photo." If that box is checked, it means those notifications are muted. Go ahead and uncheck it. Once you do that, your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully unmuted notifications from accounts with default profile photos. This means you'll start receiving alerts from those users again, whether they follow you, reply to your posts, or interact with your content. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to stay connected with a wider range of people, including new users. Thanks for watching.